One of the most common problems that many English learners have, that they feel they don't have good vocabulary, and this is the main reason they are not able to speak in English fluently. What happens whenever they try to speak? Right words don't come to their mind at the right time. So if you feel the same way and are interested in building the vocabulary, then watch this video till end. In this video, I will tell you 12 interesting words that you can use in your daily life to make your conversation better and interesting. I will explain these words with the help of videos and images so that you can easily relate. And I will also give you some examples so that you can understand where to use these words in a regular conversation. So let's start. First word is despise. Despise means to hate someone or something. For example, if you don't like to wake up early in the morning, you can say, I despise waking up early in the morning. And if you are someone who don't like coffee or tea or anything, so this is example number 2. You can say, I despise coffee because of its bitter taste. Now let's see second word. Second word is extravagant. Extravagant means spending too much money or expensive. हिंदी में इसको फिजूल खर्ची बोलते हैं. When you will see examples, you will understand clearly. So first example is the Ambani wedding was so extravagant that it made headlines worldwide. आप सब लोगों ने देखा होगा, हम सब ने देखा रील्स में. So it was very expensive wedding. They spent a lot of money. So in that case, you can use this word. Now let's see example number 2. They wore extravagant dresses at the wedding party. You can see they are wearing expensive dresses, very expensive clothes. Now let's see. Third word is overwhelm. It is a very common word. अगर आपने कोई किसी फेमस पर्सन की, फेमस एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस या पॉलिटिशियन और किसी फेमस पर्सन की कोई वीडियो देखी हो, कोई स्पीच वगैरह देखी हो, उसमें दे यूज दिस वर्ड क्वाइट ऑफन टू एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स एट द मोमेंट. सो ओवरवेल्म मीन्स समथिंग too much to handle or deal with, or to feel strong emotion. So when you will see some examples, you will be able to understand easily. Example number 1, Shah Rukh Khan was overwhelmed by the love he received from fans. Quite obvious. Now let's see example number 2. I'm overwhelmed with the work today. So if you feel you have a lot of work, you are stressed because of that, and someone is asking you, how are you? Then you can say, I'm extremely overwhelmed. Then you can say, I'm extremely overwhelmed with the work today. Next word is skeptical. Skeptical means being doubtful about something or not believing in something. It means you are not sure about something, very uncertain. Let's see some examples. Example number 1. My mother is skeptical about online shopping because she doesn't trust the quality of products. बहुत कभी कभार ऐसा हो जाता है when we are trying to order something online, तो किसी को अगर ऑनलाइन चीज़ों में ट्रस्ट नहीं है तो they can say कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, मे बी पैसे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे या फिर क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं आएगी, वी कैन बाय इट ऑफलाइन. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड. दे आर स्केप्टिकल टू बाय ऑनलाइन. दे आर नॉट श्योर, दे आर डाउटफुल. सो लेट्स सी एग्जांपल नंबर 2. आई एम स्केप्टिकल अबाउट वॉचिंग दिस मूवी. आई हैव हर्ड मिक्स्ड रिव्यूज. सब कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि आपको कोई मूवी देखनी है, आपका मन है उस मूवी को देखने का, बट योर फ्रेंड्स हैव वॉच्ड ऑलरेडी. उन्होंने रिव्यूज दे दिए, किसी ने अच्छे किसी ने खराब. तो नाउ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड, आपको देखनी चाहिए कि नहीं. नाउ यू आर क्वेश्चनिंग, देखूं या नहीं, कहीं पैसे या टाइम वेस्ट ना हो जाए. सो देन इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट यू कैन से स्केप्टिकल, you are skeptical to watch that movie. Now fifth word is splurge. Splurge means to spend a lot of money on something. If you will see examples, you will understand clearly. First example is, I splurged my first salary on shopping and buying clothes I have always wanted. Quite obvious. Example number 2, my friend splurged a lot of money to buy her dream car. It means किसी चीज़ पे बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करना. So you can tell me in the comments, where do you like to spend, where do you like to splurge. So you can tell me in the comments, where do you like to splurge your money. Now next word is pragmatic. Pragmatic means dealing with things practically. और sensibly. मतलब indirectly हवा में बात नहीं करना. Whenever you are making any decisions, trying to understand pros and cons, think in a practical way. So let's see some examples. Example number 1, we made a pragmatic choice to take the bus instead of flight to save money. Fair. Example number 2, I used a pragmatic method to learn English, focusing on practical use rather than just bookish knowledge. Again, it's a very good example. Now, 7th word, delegate. It's a very good word to use. Delegate means to give a responsibility to someone else to handle. Basically, कोई responsibility किसी और person को दे देना handle करने के लिए. So now let's see some examples. The manager delegated the report writing to a newly joined employee. And example number 2, अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई friend आपका अच्छा है to organize party, to plan things, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका कोई friend he or she can plan things very well, so you can delegate that responsibility to that person. So example number 2, you can say, since you are so good at organizing, I will delegate the party planning to you. Good word. Now, next word is frugal. Frugal means being careful with the money and not spending too much. इसको हम usually positive context में use करते हैं. It means someone who is very mindful about spending money. ऐसे ही फालतू में नहीं करना, बस सोच समझ के पैसे खर्च करने वाला person. We can call that person a frugal. Let's see some examples. She is frugal and always looks for discounts before buying anything. कभी कभार कोई चीज़ आपको पसंद आ गई है but you find it very expensive. तो आप वेट करते हैं कि अच्छा चलो डिस्काउंट आएगा, सेल आएगी तब लेंगे. सेकंड इज आई लिव अ फ्रूगल लाइफस्टाइल, कुकिंग मील्स एट होम इंस्टेड ऑफ ईटिंग आउट. You don't want to spend a lot of money in ordering food or going out and spending a lot of money to eat food. Rather, you spend some time and cook meal for yourself. तो यहाँ पे you are saving money just by cooking yourself. Now next word is miser. It means someone who really doesn't like to spend money. इसको हम नेगेटिव कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज करते हैं, हिंदी में इसको कंजूस बोलते हैं. तो फ्रूगल पॉजिटिव कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, माइजर नेगेटिव कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल नंबर 1, माय मैनेजर रिफ्यूज्ड टू गिव अस बर्थडे पार्टी बिकॉज ही इज अ बिट माइजर. पॉसिबल है. एग्जांपल नंबर 2, माय फ्रेंड नेवर पेज व्हेन वी गो आउट फॉर डिनर विच इज व्हाई आई कॉल हिम माइजर. हाँ, कुछ फ्रेंड्स ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ फ्रेंड्स ऐसे होते हैं इन फ्रेंड सर्कल जो व्हेन यू आर पेइंग फॉर देम दे आर ओके, बट इफ इट इज देयर टर्न टू पे देन कुछ भी बहाना मार के वो वहां से निकल जाते हैं. सो देन दे आर, यू कैन कॉल देम माइजर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रिलक्टेंट. रिलक्टेंट मीन्स नॉट वांटिंग टू डू समथिंग. मतलब आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो जब आपको कोई काम करने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, फिर आपको करना ही नहीं है. So let's see example number 1. I am reluctant to talk to new people because I'm shy. Sometimes someone is interested to talk to you, but you are like, oh, I'm very shy. मुझे नहीं करनी इससे बात. Then in that case, you can say I'm reluctant. Then you can use this word reluctant. Example number 2. My parents are reluctant to allow me to go out with my friends. वो नहीं चाहते कि आप बाहर जाओ अपने दोस्तों के साथ. Simple. So they don't want you to go out with your friends. Next word is procrastination. Procrastination means to delay something that you need to do. कोई काम हम पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं कि अच्छा अभी नहीं, थोड़ी देर में करेंगे, थोड़ी देर में नहीं, कल कर लेंगे. So this is called procrastination. Let's see some examples. Example number 1. Because of procrastination, I didn't prepare for exam and failed. Example number 2. She missed the deadlines for her project due to procrastination. किसी काम की डेडलाइन 2 दिन थी लेकिन वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते गए, डिले हो गया. Then in that case you can say she kept procrastinating till deadline. Now last word is furious. Furious means extremely angry or very mad at something. So basically बहुत गुस्सा करना. इसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. माई मदर वॉज फ्यूरियस वेन आई स्पिल्ड टी ऑन द कारपेट. बहुत बार होता है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, I was furious when I realized I had forgotten my password. Again, बहुत frustration होता है when you forget your password. You get little annoyed. So in that case, you used word furious. I hope you have understood all these words, and thank you so much for watching this video.